وغلقت الأبواب وقالت هيت لك وقالت هيت لك.
Welcome back everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to turn your images into talking videos with AI. If you have been looking for a tool to create amazing animated videos with voice or audio, then this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and search for visionstory.ai. Click the link that has a triangular logo on it. When it opens, click on Get Started Free. It will take you to the interface where you log in with your Gmail account. From the interface, click on Upload Image to import the image you want to use to generate a video. After importing the image, you import the audio, in this case the Qur'an recitation you want to use. If the audio is too long, you need to adjust it to fit the credits you have. But don't be sad because every week they give you 20 credit. And you can also use different emails to enjoy more credits. When you finish adjusting, you press on generate and wait for the video to generate. Whilst we are waiting for the video to generate, let me show you a few things. Here you can change the size to any ratio you want. You can write whatever you want the image to say. And you can also record with your own voice. There is another feature I need to show you. Cloning. You can actually use someone's voice to create your videos. Inshallah, I will come back and give you a tutorial on how to do that. Now our video is generated. Let's play it and see. Good. To download, just press the download icon below the video and it will be downloaded into your gallery. And that is for today's tutorial. As you can see, creating AI talking videos is very simple and fun with this tool. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Also, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you.